Not only are we at a wonderful location in Kersbosstrand in Dwarskersbos, but this is a beautiful home. We've got 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, open plan living area with vaulted ceilings, and no less than 4 garages. My name is Milani, and Sarah's showing us around today.
Dreams have grown from first time buyers to investments wise. We're here to help you realize every step, every key, every door, helping you achieve a little more. With trusted guidance by your side, we'll help your future come alive. When the journey seems unclear, you can count on us to steer toward opportunities that shine, finding the perfect place and time. We trade property, we're leading the way, helping you make the right move today. Property solutions with real estate advice, turning your dreams into a rewarding life. We trade property, trust you can rely on, building your future, helping you move on. Property solutions with real estate advice, making every property decision wisely. We trade property, we're leading the way, helping you make the right move today. Property solutions with real estate advice, a trusted partner throughout your life. Trade property, where dreams begin, helping you achieve and helping you win.
This house is a definite must see. Give us a call. Let's arrange a personal viewing.
By your side.